Welcome everyone to our channel. Let's get to know top 5 most useful psychology books for improving one's life and changing one's mind. Now starting from the 5th book, 12 Rules for Life by Jordan B. Peterson is the book about the current life in simple terms. The book discusses topics like discipline, freedom, adventure and responsibility, and changing them simply into 12 practical and profound rules for life one should follow. This is a book dealing with simple problems in simple ways, making this book a great read. Marshmallow Test by Walter Mischel, world's leading expert in self-control, writes the book based on the experiment conducted by giving a child a marshmallow and an option of eating it now or enjoying it later. The book expresses how practicing self-control and applying it to the challenges of life can change everything. It is the psychological self-help and personal development book one should read. The Comfort Book by Matt Haig is a small book full of notes, lists, and stories about different things that surely is a comfort to read for someone needing a warm hug. This book teaches one to keep going even when life is tough and can be a great comfort for someone going through a hard time. It is a great read and should be in everyone's personal collections. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a book that can transform big problems and solve them by following simple habits that can change one's life. It provides great strategies and insights that can help someone build meaningful and good habits while breaking the bad ones. It has a very different approach for implementing things practically and is a must-read for someone looking for improvement. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman takes us how our mind works, telling us all about the two systems and how we should trust ourselves and make different decisions and judgments in our professional and personal lives. This book transforms one's way of thinking and how our decision-making process can be improved for the better. It is a must-read for everyone. Hope you find our recommendations useful and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See